What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. Just wanted to give you guys a quick Camtasia tip. Normally, you would use your media bin to store all of your media, your pictures and videos and audio that you want to put into your scenes. So the library has a lot of Camtasia built functionality, such as pre-built icons, intros, lower thirds, and things of the sort. However, there's an added functionality to library that I had missed at first, and it's actually right here on the plus sign where you can add more assets. So if I actually scroll down here, you'll see it has Camtasia libraries, and then you have the ability to make user libraries. Now, user libraries are extremely useful in that you can not only save media, but you can actually save snippets or items from your timeline, exactly how they're set up as a media. I'll show you how to do this as a media item. I'll show you how to do this in a bit, and it's just really cool. So I'll show you how this all works. Now, normally with media, you can import media from your computer or Google Drive, and in library, when you go to your user library, you can import either media as the same way you did before from your computer locally, and the main difference here is that this media box will only work for this project. This one will work for all of your projects. So it's very useful if you have a complex outro that you want to add to all of your videos. You can put it here, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. So the first box here is grayed out, add timeline selection. So we're going to zoom in on the intro here, and I'm going to highlight both of these, and I'm going to click on the plus sign, and now it shows up, add timeline selection, and I'm going to call this intro. And now it's saved in the intro. Now I can scroll all the way to the end over here. Looks kind of funny. Okay, right here. And I'm going to grab this and make sure. Yes. I'm going to grab all this as my outro. So add timeline selection, outro. And now I can make a video, and right as I'm finished editing it, I can just drag this over here, and it has all of the clips that were originally in my outro in that nice sorted group right there. So yeah, I think this is a great tip that is going to save me a bit of time compiling my intros and outros for my new videos, and I hope it helps you out as well. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Peace.